In 1932, Australia faced an enemy no one expected. Emus. Thousands of them, fast, stubborn, and hungry, destroying farmland in Western Australia after migrating inland. Desperate farmers begged the government for help, and the military stepped in with rifles, machine guns, and soldiers fresh from World War I. It became known as the Great Emu War, and the birds were winning. When soldiers opened fire on a massive flock, the emus scattered in every direction with impossible speed. One commander said each bird seemed to have its own lookout, dodging bullets like trained soldiers. Their long legs let them outrun trucks, their bodies absorbed shots without going down. Even machine gun bursts barely slowed them. Every plan, ambushes, traps, mounted patrols, failed. The emus attacked crops by day and vanished into the scrub by night. After weeks of battles, thousands of rounds fired, and almost no emus killed, the military retreated in embarrassment. The newspapers had a field day. Australia had declared war on birds, and lost. Eventually, the government turned to fences instead of firearms, and the emus simply went on living their best lives.